I was really delighted to announce €430 million in funding for 8 really important regeneration projects across all 4 corners of Dublin to help to rejuvenate and regenerate our city and our county, a key priority for Fianna Fáil. This funding will support projects that will enhance the quality of life for many people. The projects are about making our area, our Dublin, even more attractive places to live, work, visit and invest.
For more than a decade, I've been working with local residents and Dublin City Council to address dereliction and to champion regeneration of Dublin's north inner city. The €120 million will be used by Dublin City Council to redevelop and reopen the fruit and vegetable market, to create a 1916 commemorative museum at the National Monument and regenerate street trading on Moore Street, to create a new city library on Parnell Square and refurbish Mountjoy Square and the Five Lamps.
I want to take this opportunity to welcome the Government's Urban Regeneration Funding Project. It's going to see €53 million allocated in the southwest inner city. It's going to see streets like Francis Street redesigned to make them more pedestrian friendly. It's going to see a huge upgrade in our public lighting, and this will make our streets safer for all.
While Dublin has developed sustainably over the last few years, we do face key challenges, particularly in the area of housing affordability, transport and the availability of urban amenities. Now, we need to invest in redevelopment and regeneration, and that's part of the programme for government, the commitment we have made. So we need to continue with URDF as a vote of confidence in the future of Dublin.